Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to transfer Figma designs into Flutter Code. To start off, go to DWise, log in with Google. So from here you can go, let's say freelancer, somewhat technical, prototype, social media, use low code or visual programming. For me, I'm going to go new application, create a new app. Let's go web. Let's go JavaScript. Let's go Figma. Let's go connect your Figma account. You're going to allow access. And you're going to type your Figma URL here. So anything that you go from this, you're going to type this URL, Control C, paste it here, and then you're going to create a new application for yourself. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.